In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use FigJam cursor chat in team meetings. By the end of this video, you'll be able to send a quick cursor chat message directly on a FigJam board so your teammates see it instantly during a live meeting. First, open your FigJam board. On screen, navigate to the board you're using with your team and open it so the canvas is visible. Make sure you're on the board where the discussion is happening so everyone can see your message in context. Next, move your cursor on the board. Hover your mouse over the canvas where you want your message to appear. Keep the cursor over an open area of the board for a clean look so your chat doesn't overlap important content. You don't need to select any tools or click into an object. Just place the cursor where you want to speak. Now, press the / key on your keyboard. That's the character /. This activates FigJam cursor chat. You should immediately see a small chat prompt appear next to your cursor with a blinking text caret. If you see that prompt, you're in the right mode and ready to type. From here, start typing. Your message appears right next to your cursor as you type, so your team can follow along in real time without breaking the flow of the meeting. Keep your message short and clear, like a quick note, question, or call-out. Because this is cursor chat, you're not adding a sticky note or changing the board layout. You're simply speaking through your cursor, which is ideal for fast back and forth during a discussion. Once that's done, press Enter to send. Hitting Enter posts the message so it's visible to everyone on the board immediately. You'll see the text finalized next to your cursor, confirming it's been sent. This keeps the meeting moving because your teammates can read your note right where your cursor is pointing, without needing to switch tools or open sidebars. At this point, you've used FigJam cursor chat in a team meeting. You opened your FigJam board, moved your cursor to the canvas, pressed the / to activate cursor chat, typed your message, and pressed Enter to send it. This quick workflow is designed to help you contribute clearly and efficiently while staying focused on the board. Your FigJam cursor chat is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.